Now, for those of you who want to start exporting food, always remember that profit comes after compliance. Now, compliance is following laid down government procedure, or in simpler terms, making sure that your food is what you say it is, so that consumers abroad can trust you irrespective of where your food is coming from. Now, if they trust you, they will buy more, and if they buy more, you make more money. You see, skipping compliance does not save money, it destroys businesses. Now, so how do you stay compliant as a food exporter? Simple. You ensure that your food products, your production process, your facilities adhere to established safety, quality, and labeling regulations set by government bodies and other industry standards. You see, this proactive approach is designed to prevent foodborne illness, minimize contamination risk, and maintain consumer trust. Don't be that exporter who thinks regulation and compliance will reduce your profit. You see, in reality, ignorance is what destroys your profit. Now, the FDA and other bodies are there to protect consumers and punish careless exporters. Warren Buffett said that risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. You see, compliance will reduce your risk. Lower risk protects your money, your reputation, and your future. Now, if you differentiate yourself by being compliant, the profit will show in your pocket. So if you want the tips on how to be compliant with your food export business, subscribe and follow me for export content that will protect your profit.